3 of the long vowel sound I, okay? I. So we've got 2 single letter sounds today which can make the I sound in words, okay? So the first one we have is the I letter name, which mostly makes the I sound in words, okay? But it can also make the I sound. It says can make the same sound as the name, okay? So this can be the I sound. I. Okay, well done. So let's put this sound into some words, and the shortest word in the English language here is, again, I. Okay, so I can be a sound and it can also be a word, okay? I go to the shop. I am happy, okay? So I can be a sound and it can also be a single letter word, okay? So yeah, pretty easy phonetically here. I. Okay, so one letter making one sound, one letter word there, okay? I. Okay, next one we have a bigger word with the I sound here, which is item. 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 I have an item. Okay, an item is an object. Okay, this marker is an item I have in my hand. Okay, the board is an item. Lots of things around you are items, are objects. Okay, item. Okay, playing a video game, you can pick up items in the game. Item. Okay, so yeah, slightly bigger than the word I there. So, and the last one we have for the single letter I sound, which is shiny. Shiny. Sh. I. E. Shiny. Sh. I. E. Shiny. We got the Y or Y letter making the E sound here. Sh. I. E. Shiny. The sun is shiny, or the foil is shiny, okay? Shiny, okay? Shiny, shiny. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters and 4 sounds. Shiny, 4 sounds there. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Like always, make sure you're practicing at home with me, please. We have I. Okay, again we have I. Item. Item. Okay, shiny. 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 Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.